Hello guys, welcome to my channel Oralce, and in this video I'm going to show you how to import data from the internal environment where Apex have given you a certain scripts with lots of data where you can play with the application. And in this video we are also going to see how to create a simple table with the reports, right? So let's continue without wasting time. Just click on the SQL workshop, utilities, and sample data sets. So a large sample database has been created for you already, and you just need to import in your environment, right? So just click on this one. Let's have this one, countries. Just click on install and next. Okay, so these are the tables and some views will be installed. So just remember this EBA country. Okay, just let's give some time to this one. Okay, so now it's been created successfully. So from here also you can go for a create application. So let me click on this one, create application. Okay, so demonstration countries would be the application name, and you can select this um, you know appearances, like would love to use maybe this stock, and we will be having and top menu this time. Okay, so let's choose an icon which suits us, like this one, and set application, and it's done. So now some of the pages already been there, right? So if you want to have a new one, then you can have like add a page. From here you have a multiple option, like you can have a blank page, you can have calendar page, you can have cards, charts, dashboard, faceted search, forms, interactive grids, and etc. So we are going to choose this, let's say for example forms, and we want a form page name would be my first page. Okay, and table, it would be like EBA countries. Okay, I want to include the report. Just click on this one, it will include the tables of what we can say that the report with that one. Just click on add, and it's added automatically, and I would be selecting everything and just click on this create application. Okay, it's been done successfully, and as you can see, number of pages been created for us. So let me run this one. So it will definitely ask me for the login credential, and I'll be providing my login credential and just click on the sign in. So as you can see, a beautiful environment has been created for us. A top navigation bar is there. We can have a dashboard. Let me just click on this one. So we have not do anything, I've just click on next. As I don't think so that you might notice anywhere I have used any kind of code or something. Okay, whatever I've utilized, or whatever have you done, right? See, as you can see, the beautiful chart has been done for you. And let me just go back to the dashboard also again, so that we can have explore this one. Countries search is there. So this page we have created, so we will be get back to it soon. So here is a faceted search for you. So a number of countries has been listed, and now we can have this one facets, like if you want to find this population less than 50,000, then if you select this one, it will normalize the data completely. Okay, so area is less than 500, so region will be this one, and organization would be APEC. Okay, all are related to APEC now. So as you can see that you can reset it also, you can clear every you know faceted search which you have applied. You can click on that one also, so that is a facets for you. So country report, from here you can have a report which has been created for us. So this depends on the data, how you have your data. So this is the page where you have uh, insert update delete query. So let's move to our page which we have created. So this is the page we have which we have created. Like see, at this column I don't understand what is this, but I don't want this to be displayed to the user. So what I'll be doing that, just click on this column, and I don't want this row ID, so just click apply and it will be hidden, right? So beautiful environment's been created. So from here you can create also. So as you can see, so all the things were there. You just need to click on this one, create, after entering the data. And let's say for example, if you want to change some certain things like Armenia, and if you want to change certain things like let's say for example intermediate region is not available, maybe, right? So just click on apply changes. So it's not asking me, so you cannot modify the views. Okay, so this form has been created on a view, so we cannot change it. So let us go to this page where we have created one. So we are going to create a new page so that we can see the modification also. So just click on this create page and form and report with report, right? So form name would be my second form. This is report, so let me type instead of report. Okay, my second form, it's a normal form, and page group I don't want to give any. Just click on next. Here a new navigation menu entry, so here that will be a new navigation entry. Okay, and it's under the home. So if you click on this one, so it will be under this one. So now just select the table. Let's choose this one, right? And I don't want this to be displayed in the records, because this is shown, select the columns to be shown in the report only. So I'll be choosing the other columns. Just click on next. Okay, in the form I want this columns, and select primary key columns. So primary key column is this one, and just click on create one. So in this table it will allow us to create, insert all the CRUD operation, insert, update and delete. So let's just wait for a while. Okay, it's been created. Let me run this one. Okay, so it's under this home page, and we have a report, so in which I can change this one. So Nayan instead of Ajay, and let me apply changes. Let's see how it's working or not. Okay, it's perfectly working. Rows updated. You can have a new column here, first name, last name, address, city. So we have created all the CRUD operation, insert, update. Let's just try to delete one. So just click on this one and delete this column name. It's asked you to confirm. Just click on OK, and the row has been deleted successfully. Now as you can see, it's very much easy to create the database and application with all the CRUD operations. So thank you so much for watching this video. In upcoming videos we will be look forward to have certain new development and all the things whatever we can implement in Oracle APEX. Okay, thank you for watching with this video. Thank you so much.